Hi, Brandon.Ragan coming to you from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I want to show you this 2016 Coachmen M17FQ. So it's going to be a single axle trailer. So a small little guy that you're going to be able to tow with a lot of smaller trucks or mid-size SUVs. You're going to see your awning up above. As we walk in here, cool little floor plan, walk around bed with a front window to give you a little bit more light. Storage up above the bed and below. You're gonna have your booth dinette here. Kitchen area with a little bit of prep space. Storage up above, both the dinette and the kitchen area. And back here, your bathroom. Just a real simple floor plan. Great way to start out when you just get your RV experience. Fridge is gonna be right below, and the 2-burner stove. If you have any more questions on this Coachmen, give Brandon.Ragan a call at Guaranty RV 541-214-0223. Have a great day.